Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from Alicewalker.london. Today I am going to do a first impression on a foundation. This foundation has actually been around for a while, but I have not used this, so this will be my first time using this foundation, so I decided to do a first impression. I'm sure you guys know this foundation, you've heard of this foundation before. Some of you guys are probably using this foundation, but because I haven't used it, I bought one quite recently from Look Fantastic and ordered a couple of stuff as well with it, and it came quite quick. I've seen some reviews on this foundation. Some people loved it and some people weren't too impressed. Is the YSL, the Touche Eclat. If I'm not pronouncing it right, I do apologize. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It comes in this gold packaging. I'm going to take it out and show you how it looks on the inside. It comes with an instruction and it tells you how to apply the foundation, which is very good. I mean, I don't get a lot of that in other foundations, so that is a plus for me. And this is how the foundation looks like. Look how gorgeous this foundation is. I ordered it online. The color I went for was warm mocha, the color that looked closer to my skin tone, and I'm praying that is going to be my shade. Even if it's not my shade, it will be quite close to my shade. We're going to test out this foundation. First impression, like I said, I have not used it. Before I use any foundation, I always shake it. I'm going to apply the foundation directly on my skin on this side. Ooh, oh, the color is actually not so bad. Look at that. Ooh, and it's exactly how I like my foundations. It's not too thick. I'm going to use it to do this side first, to blend it in on this side first. Okay, what do I think? I can still see some black marks peeping through, so I'm going to do a second. Oh, right, and I'm going to put it on this side as well. I've got this side is where I've got my spots, so I'm going to blend it in on this side. The color is actually not so bad. I'm still seeing the black marks peeping through there, so I'm going to put one more coat on top. Oh no. And another thing I don't like is when you pump it, it just comes a lot on your face. Okay, like so far I've had a lot of pumps. This is how it's looking at the moment, the foundation. And I've done my eye, I've done my lipstick, I've practically completed my makeup, and this is how the foundation is looking at the moment. I'm going to spin around for you to see. Right, now I'm going to tell you my thought of this foundation. First of all, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. I love gorgeous packaging, and like I said earlier, it comes with an instruction. It tells you how to contour, how to blend the foundation, so this is really good. It's a bonus. Most foundations do not have an instruction sheet in there, but this one actually does, so I'm going to put that aside. And the bottle as well is absolutely fantastic, and it has a gold cover with the logo on there. Before you use this foundation, you have to shake really well. The color is mocha, warm mocha, and even though I have ordered it online, I feel like I've got my perfect shade. It goes with my skin tone. It blended really well. The undertone is perfect for me. It's a flawless foundation, as you can see, because my skin is looking absolutely flawless, but it does not cover everything. It is not a full coverage. That's what I noticed. It's a medium coverage, and it is quite buildable. If you want to cover every single thing on your face, you have to keep building it to get that full coverage look. If you have a lot of blemishes and black marks and everything, then this foundation, it's practically not good for you. I mean, you can actually use color corrector underneath and then maybe apply this foundation, but you will need a lot of coats to get the full coverage that you really want. The people that the foundation will mostly suit is if you have a really good skin. If you have a good skin, then this foundation is going to be perfect. I like the texture, I like the consistency of this foundation. One other thing as well, when you pump it on your face, you gotta be careful because it goes everywhere. But I do love it. It's very hydrating as well. I mean, I put it on my face and I haven't actually used a setting spray on my face. I did it on purpose. I decided not to use a setting spray, and it actually is looking quite skin-like. It's very lightweight, like they're saying. Do I think it's worth it? Yeah, I think it's worth it. So I'm gonna zoom in for you guys to see that. Guys, this foundation is amazeballs. It's amazeballs. I love it. This foundation has been around for a while actually, so if you've used this foundation before, please let me know if you really liked it, or if you did not like it. Please let me know your experience. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free, guys. Come on, it's free. Just hit the subscribe button down below, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. Thank you guys. God bless. Bye.